How people are making money in the numerology niche. Look, man, I figured it's 2020. I'm going to give y'all a master's level game and give y'all some ideas, right? Because it's too much abundance. I'm going to put my phone down for a second while I open up my computer. It's too much abundance out here for y'all not to be knowledgeable of what you can really do, right? And so I'm going to show y'all how you can make money in a numerology niche through affiliate marketing. And see, a lot of people, they think of affiliate marketing and they don't realize how big of a industry it is, right? Some people still don't even know what it is at all, right? When I tell them what affiliate marketing is, they're like confused, like, the fuck is that, right? But look, I'm gonna give y'all some masters of a game. Right, so y'all better appreciate this, man, because I didn't have nobody to give me this game, this insight before I got in online. I just really jumped in online, found something that didn't make sense to me, started doing some things that didn't make sense to me, and started making commissions. And then from there, I started to understand, oh, okay, this is affiliate marketing. Okay, this is CPA marketing. Okay, this is network marketing, right? You know what I'm saying? Just started being able to identify what I was looking at when I was operating online. Give me a second. Let me pull up my screen real quick. So this is just clickbank.com is just an affiliate marketing marketplace, right? You go to clickbank.com for two reasons, right? You either want to host your own digital product for other people to have the ability to sell it for a commission, right? To help you get exposure to your product, or you go here to market and sell other people's products, right? So let me go ahead and log in real quick. So give me a second. All right, so I logged in and we're just gonna go to marketplace. Right, and so right here is where you can find different affiliate marketing niches, right? So you can find niches from here. You can get ideas from here, and you can also find products that you can promote for free, right? Meaning you don't have to pay anything to promote it. You just create a ClickBank account, right? And so we're gonna go to spiritual, let's see. Spirituality, new age beliefs, right? Boom. And I'm just giving you guys, like, basically I'm giving you guys a strong idea as to a way that you can find ways to make money, right? And so let's see. And now I'm just looking at a couple of different products, but the first one I seen said numerology, so we'll just go with this one, right? So boom, I could actually get this product. We could just check out the page. Repeating numbers are universal. So I could literally get this product and start promoting it on my Instagram, right? As soon as when people decide that they want to invest in it and they like it, boom, I get paid a commission, right? And so I just want to show you guys, this is a hidden niche that you can use to create an extra income online, right? You got to open your mind to the possibilities, right? So you can literally basically create an Instagram account. Let me turn this around. Create an Instagram account. It can be around numerology. Find the content online, repost it, give the original owners their shout out or whatever, and put this link in your description. When people click on it and buy, you make a commission. So that is how you can make money in the numerology niche in simple terms. I believe most products on ClickBank pay 50 to 75%, if not more, right? So this is a product that you can make small commissions on the front end and make, mid-sized commissions when people buy the upsell if they decide to. Right, so the only work that you got to do is creating the content and getting the content in front of the right audience, right? And so that's why I preach that so much. So that's how you can make money in numerology niche. I probably go deeper in depth in my online breadwinners group to kind of give you guys the extra steps on what you need to do so you can build an email list and just kind of build your affiliate marketing business in the right way, right? But this is a start, man. Expand your mind and expand your grind. It's your boy B. I see you.